Your physique isn't built in the gym. It's not built by the workout plans or the meal plans or your genetics. Your physique is built by the daily decisions that you make every single day, right? The decisions that you make every single day is what makes your physique. That's what separates you from the average man. When you're on Bodygame, when you're in shape, when you're getting jacked, what separates you from the average man is that it's your decisions, right? And when I'm saying getting jacked, I'm not saying you got to be this huge, weighted out bodybuilder. I'm just saying somewhere in between 12 to 15% body fat, right? With a decent amount of muscle size to you, right? Nothing too crazy, achievable by anybody, right? And the difference between the average man and guys that are in shape is literally their decisions and what they choose to do. Like you watching this right now, you are a couple decisions away from having the physique that you want. It comes down to decisions like, are you going to go to the gym after work tonight, or are you going to go straight home after an 8-hour shift and go to bed, right? Are you going to watch Netflix tonight, or are you going to go to the gym instead, right? And maybe watch Netflix after you go to the gym, right? Are you going to eat those cookies, or are you going to eat that fruit instead? Are you going to eat that tiramisu, or are you going to eat, that chicken or rice, right? It's all comes down to your decisions. What are you actually going to do to get that physique, right? It's all about actions and habits. The only thing that's the physique that you want, right? And who you are right now, the only difference between the physique you have right now and the physique that you want in the future is the actions and the habits, right? And your physique will reflect that. All your physique really is a reflection of the decisions that you have chosen to make for the last 6 months, right? And, after having consultation calls with a bunch of guys, right? One of the things that stands out to me the most is it's not necessarily, well, sometimes it is. It's not necessarily like them not knowing what to do or what to eat, how to train. A lot of it comes down to the mindset, and at the root cause, it's really about the decisions that they are failing to make or decisions that they are making, right? It's really about the decisions and the actions and habits that are separating them from the physique that they want and the physique they have right now. It's all decisions. It's all a matter of what you choose to do on a daily basis. That's the key thing that I'm finding with most guys is that decisions that they're making, the decision to go home after an 8-hour shift instead of going to the gym, the decision to wake up in the morning and eat Dunkin' Donuts in the morning, right? The decision to, not take their life seriously. These are the decisions that are separating them from the physiques that they want. And by the way, if you want to book a consultation, hit the link in the description and we'll see if it makes sense to work together. A little shameless plug for those guys that need it. Make sure you like this video and subscribe if you haven't done that already, right? But, when it comes down to decisions, like even in my own life, right? Recently, for those of you guys that don't know, we're coming up to a year now. I tore my Achilles last July. We are now almost coming towards July, right? And when I tore my Achilles, I was out of the gym for a bit, and because of that, I turned into a big bag. I was out of the gym for 3 months and I gained some weight, and I was 206 pounds after tearing my Achilles, right? And I realized the physique that I had at that moment was a reflection of my decisions that I was making, right? My decisions to eat all those cookies, my decisions to, eat everything in sight, put everything in my mouth, pause, to, just be this ultimate big bag. That was the decision that I've been making for the past 6 months. And then fast forward to now, I guess you could say, because I started my cut back in December, we are now in July. My goal is to get to 180 pounds. I am now at 187, 188 pounds. And what made me lose that, is it almost 20 pounds, over 16 pounds now? What helped me lose all that weight? Let me know down in the comments. Is that 16 or 16? 206 to 187. You do the math. I think that's almost 20 pounds now, almost in between 20 and 15 pounds. I wasn't the greatest math student. But the point is that my decisions is what reflected the scale, right? It was my decisions that helped me reach my goals, right? I'm still on the grind towards that 180. We're going to get there by mid-July. Mark my words, right? But right now I'm 187. But what's got me so far to this point was my decisions. It was my decisions to replace those late night cookies and snacks with some fruit, right? It was my decision to change up my diet, change up my environment. It was my decisions to get back into the gym. It was my decisions to, start taking creatine, my decision to start hydrating, to start taking my electrolytes more often, right? It's all decisions. The physique that I have right now compared to what it was in December at 206 compared to what it is now at 187, it's all been about my decisions and my actions and habits, right? Your physique is literally a representation of the control you have over your life, right? Because like I said, your physique is all made up of decisions. It reflects that if you can control this area of your life, you can control every other area of your life, right? Because that decision could be, from deciding whether or not you're going to eat those cookies instead of that fruit. That can be translated to, am I going to spend another hour studying, or am I going to watch that Netflix? Am I going to spend another hour, working on my side hustle, or am I going to watch that Netflix, right? Am I going to, spend another hour, gooning, or am I gonna watch Netflix? Do you know what I'm trying to say, right? I'm really attacking Netflix accounts right now, right? Because these Netflix accounts, I swear, they're actually the detriment of our goals on the lows, right? But the point still stands. It doesn't have to be just Netflix. It can be a bunch of different things in your life that are keeping you from the things that you want, right? It's bigger than just your physique, but your physique is the foundation, because those lessons that you learn from getting control of your physique, mastering the decisions around your habits to build the physique, can be transferred to other areas of your life. If you can gain control of that area, it translates, right? Because like I said before, when your body is in a constant state of growth, your mind is also in a constant state of growth. And that's why your physique, I truly believe, is the foundation of your life. And it's the one thing that you should master. You should be aiming to master body game, because when you can master body game, that's level 1. Then you step out into the real world and conquer every other dragon, right? Right? If you need help, getting on body game, getting jacked, getting in shape, and all that type of stuff, hit the link in the description and we'll see if it makes sense to work together, right? On this consultation call, we'll discuss the mindset, training plan, time management, all the things that you need to make your fitness goals a reality. So if that sounds like you, hit the link in the description. I'll be happy to be working with you soon. Make sure you like this video and subscribe. And remember, like I'm always saying, there's nothing lightning up a playing small. I'm a catch up, boys.